Good morning, students. Today we will learn the first chapter of class 10, mm, A Triumph of Surgery. In this, the main character is a dog. The name of that dog is Tricky. It was kept by a wealthy lady, and how she used to treat this Tricky as her child, we will see in this story. And due to her treatment, what happened, we will see here. See, I was really worried about Tricky this time. Here, the narrator, see, narrator is saying, see, when he has seen, narrator is author himself, and he is a veterinary doctor. So, when he has seen Tricky, he worried about the dog. है ना? तो जब नैरेटर इस डॉग को देखते हैं, ट्रिकी को देखते हैं, तो वो घबरा जाते हैं। क्यों घबरा जाते हैं? क्योंकि वो डॉग जो था, कुत्ता जो था, जिसको वो बिलोंग करता था, यानी कि जिसके पास वो था, उस लेडी को, उस औरत को वो भली भांति जानते थे। आई हैड फूल्ड अप my car. That means in that time, veterinary doctor, that means narrator, was just going on the way, and on the way he has seen that Mrs. Pumphrey, she was the owner of that dog, just she was in the morning walk with the dog, and that time the narrator was just going by his car. That time he has seen. When he has seen, he stopped the car. When I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. So, what happened? This veterinary doctor, he has treated this dog beforehand also. So, when he has seen this dog, still it is seeming unhealthy. And here what happened? Just he saw it with his mistress. He stopped the car and he started looking at that dog, and he became surprised. तो क्या होता है कि वो जब डॉक्टर साहब, नैरेटर, वो जब देखते हैं इस कुत्ते को अपने मालकिन के साथ मॉर्निंग वॉक करते हुए, तो वो उसके अपीयरेंस पर, वो जैसे दिख रहा था, उसको देख कर आश्चर्यचकित होते हैं। Why? Because he was seeming unfit. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. तो क्या होता है? See, when he had seen, he was seeing that Tricky was seeming so fat. Anyhow, he was walking, not walking freely. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So, what did he see? In tiredness, the eyes of the dog became red, and its tongue, it had come out. And when the doctor had seen, anyhow, it was seeming that it became so tired. जब वो उसकी अपीयरेंस को देखते हैं, कौन, डॉक्टर, तो क्या दिखता है कि उसकी बहुत मोटा लगता है, किसी तरह चल रहा है, आंख लाल लाल दिख रहे हैं, और देखने से वो थका हुआ सा लग रहा है और उसका जीभ जो है निकला हुआ है. मिसेस पंफ्रे hastened to explain. Now Mrs. Pumphrey just when she had seen the doctor, she became fearful. क्या होता है, ये हमारे साथ भी होता है. जब कोई डॉक्टर हमारा ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा होता है और हम लोग को ट्रीटमेंट के बावजूद भी अनफिट देखता है, तो वो हम लोग से पूछता है कि क्या हम जो सजेशन दिए थे वो आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. तो इसलिए ये जो मिस्ट्रेस है मिसेस पंफ्रे, इनकी भी डॉग को यानी कि कुत्ते को वो ट्रीटमेंट करता था, तो देख रहा है कि अभी और अनफिट है. तब क्या करता है, वो देख कर रुकते. तभी मिसेस पंफ्रे डर सी जाती है, क्योंकि वो सोचती है कि डॉक्टर साहब को क्या जवाब देंगे. ही वॉज सो लिस्टलेस. मिस्टर हैरियट, व्हाट शी इज एक्सप्लेनिंग, क्या बता रही है मिस्टर हैरियट को. मिस्टर हैरियट कौन है, नैरेटर और वो वेटरनरी डॉक्टर भी है. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So here what happened, Mrs. Pumphrey, she is just explaining to the doctor before he's asking. What did he ask? He asked, sorry, he did not ask. उनसे पूछने से पहले ही ये जवाब देती है. क्या जवाब देती है कि डॉक्टर साहब, आई वॉज थिंकिंग इट बिकेम सो वीक ड्यू टू माल न्यूट्रिशन. माल न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं जिसको उचित मात्रा में खाना नहीं मिलता है. सो व्हाट डिड आई डू, आई स्टार्टेड फीडिंग दिस डॉग एक्स्ट्रा. तो वो कहती है कि हम इसको एक्स्ट्रा खिलाने लगे ताकि वो उसको एनर्जी मिले, वो फिट रहे. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. So see, she is explaining the reason why this dog is seeming unfit. कहती है कि देखिए, जब हमको लगने लगा कि कमज़ोर हो रहा है, इसको और खाना की ज़रूरत है, तो हम उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा खिलाने लगे. Some malt and cod liver oil and a ball of Horlicks. तो देखो, जो मनुष्य खाते हैं इस तरह का खाना उसको खिलाती थी. Horlicks, generally all human beings can't get Horlicks, liver oil, but here the rich lady, she is providing her dog all the materials. Oh, don't be provided to dog, sorry, human beings. Nothing much really. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Now the doctor started asking, the narrator started asking the question, whatever I have suggested, are you following? That means I did not, I told you not to give oily food and sweets. Oh, I did for a bit. That means, see, Mrs. Pumphrey, she is explaining, she is giving excuse. Oh, I did for a bit. That means for a while I have done that. कुछ दिन तक हम ऐसा किए थे. But he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. Relent means हमको दया आ गया. Why? Because when I saw that when I was not giving oily and sweet things, it was not taking food and becoming weaker. So I started. He does love cream, cakes and chocolates so. See, that means all fatty things this dog used to like to eat. So she has explained वो कहती है कि देखिए चॉकलेट, केक, क्रीम ये सब छोड़ के ये खाना ही नहीं चाहता है। आई कांट बियर टू रिफ्यूज हिम। So what happened when the dog was not eating? The owner is saying, Mrs. Pumphrey is saying, when I came to know that this dog is not eating, तो being the owner हम ये इग्नोर नहीं कर पाए. That means I started giving all this cream, cakes, chocolates, etc. I looked down again at the little dog. I looked down. That means narrator looked down. Narrator देखते हैं, मिस्टर हैरियट देखते हैं, जो वेटरनरी डॉक्टर है, जो इसका ट्रीटमेंट करते थे. That was the trouble. So now he came to know, he too, oh, this is the reason you have not followed my advice. Trick is, only fault was greed. So all he had came to know, he told, greed means what? Lalchi. He had never been known to refuse food. Her would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey had not mentioned. That means, doctor, he is becoming little bit anger, and also he is surprising. Why? Because his advice has not been followed by the owner of the dog, and many times she has hidden something when she was asked about the dog. है ना. तो बहुत क्या होता है, बहुत चीज मिसेस पंपरे छुपा रही थी. किनसे? डॉक्टर साहब से, नैरेटर से, लेकिन वो पता चल जाता है. आर यू गिविंग हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज? अगेन डॉक्टर इज आस्किंग, मिस्टर हैरियट इज आस्किंग, नैरेटर इज आस्किंग. पूछ रहे हैं. वो जब देखते हैं, क्योंकि वो ट्रीटमेंट करते थे उस डॉग का, लेकिन अभी भी अनफिट लग रहा है, तो वो पूछते हैं कि क्या आप अभी रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज इसको करा रहे हैं? वेल ही हैज इज लिटिल वॉक विथ मी एज यू कैन सी. तो उस समय रास्ते में ही थे डॉक्टर साहब, ये लोग मॉर्निंग वॉक में गए होते. तो मिसेस पंपरे से पूछते हैं, कौन मॉर्निंग वॉक में गए होते? मिसेस पंपरे और ट्रिकी द डॉग. और वो तो कार से उधर से गुजर रहे थे. कौन? नैरेटर. तो वो कहती कि जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत हम मॉर्निंग वॉक करा लेते हैं. बट हॉकिंग द गार्डनर, हॉकिंग, हु इज हॉकिंग? हॉकिंग इज द सर्वेंट ऑफ मिसेस पंपरे. शी यूज्ड टू लुक आफ्टर द गार्डन विच बिलोंग्स टू मिसेस पंपरे. तो यानी कि ये हॉकिंस जो था वो मिसेस पंपरी का गार्डन का देखभाल करता था. हैज बीन डाउन विथ लम्बेगो सो देयर रिंग थ्रोइंग लैटली. तो क्या होता है, वो कभी कभी काम में फंस जाता है अपना, तो वो कभी कभी नहीं ले जा पाता है. शी इज गिविंग एक्सक्यूज. शी इज टेलिंग माई servant, my gardener, he has been given responsibility to look after the dog, but what happens, sometimes he can't able to take this dog for walk or exercise because of his busy work, or he become busy in some work. Now students, for today this much only. Next day we will see another extract.